Choosing the right color for your $1,200 phone is a big deal. Today, we're hands-on with all four main Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra color options. Let's see which one fits your style. Samsung is launching four main colors available at every retail and online store worldwide. From left to right, we have white, a clean, clinical look that never goes out of style. Sky blue, a soft, airy pastel that's surprisingly subtle in person. Cobalt Violet. This is the 2026 hero color. It's deep, bold, and definitely stands out. Black, the classic choice. Sleek, stealthy, and professional. Now, if you want something a bit more unique, Samsung has two special editions available only through Samsung.com. Silver Shadow, a futuristic industrial metallic finish that catches the light beautifully. Pink Gold, a warm, premium tone that leans more toward a luxury jewelry aesthetic. From the front, all models feature uniform black bezels to maximize that massive display. However, notice how the colored frames wrap around the edges. It creates a nice halo effect that changes depending on which color you pick. Which of these four colors are you picking up? Drop a comment below. For a deep dive into the specs and our full hands-on review, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tech ARP coverage. Thanks for watching.